So I want to tell you that most of you, when you think about equality, you think about a very specific type of equality. So I want to tell you, when you take a random sample of the population and you ask them to define what they mean by equality, they'll actually all say very different things. In general, there are two very specific type of equalities: equality of opportunity and equality of outcome. Equality of opportunity means everyone should be given the same opportunities, right? If you want to be a doctor, you should be able to apply to that test. If you want to join the IITs, you should be able to give the JEE, just like everybody else should be able to give the JEE. The other thing, equality of outcome, is where things get a little more dangerous. Equality of outcome means no matter what happens, you should be paid the same as the next guy, or you should have the same reward as the other person. Now, when I say that equality is a bad idea, I specifically talk about equality of outcome. Because if you go on Twitter today, it's become about that, right? People keep telling Elon Musk or this or that, oh, you should just give all this money to everybody, right? You should just split your 100 billion or 200 billion and give it to every citizen in the world and they'd be better off. Basically, what you're doing is you're cutting him down and you're saying, we will average this out so that everyone has the same outcome or same outcome. I'm a big fan of equality of opportunity. Everybody, no matter your race, your color, your height, your blah, 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 you should still be allowed every opportunity. But equality of outcome is one of the most dangerous thoughts known to man. And we should shut it down before it gets bigger on Twitter. Here is why. See, suppose there are two people. Let's say Rahul and Ramesh. Suppose Rahul has worked very hard. He's worked 10 times as hard as Ramesh. And he has, made the connections. He has spent the Saturdays and Sundays trying to do something. Maybe let's say sales. And maybe he's actually closed 100 sales. Shouldn't his commission be higher than the other person who has basically done nothing? Suppose he just sat and watched Netflix the entire week. Should that person be paid the same as Rahul? Obviously no, right? Rahul's put in more hard work, more energy, more effort. So why does everyone think that taking Elon Musk's 200 billion and splitting amongst people is a good idea? Hasn't Elon Musk put the work, put the energy? Elon Musk was making games since he was 13, right? Learning about internals of a computer since he was 13. He's done a lot more than the average person has.